Okay, my friends, this is the super soup. This is the super soup or stew for those rainy days or those cold days. Look at how beautiful that stew or soup looks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go step by step. Just follow me step by step and you'll see. You will never regret this. We're going to start with 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and pass it on to your friends and family. 4 cups of water. I'm gonna add a little bouillon here, about this square, so you can use the about a tablespoon of any other chicken bouillon. You're gonna add that to the water. I'm gonna put some sazon here, sazon goya, or any other seasoning that you like. This adds a lot of color and packs a punch of flavors. These are chickpeas, garbanzo, so a whole can goes in there, a whole can of garbanzos or chickpeas, and you just want to make sure this all incorporated. And we're gonna keep adding ingredients here. Just follow me step by step. You can pause the video anytime, but this is that soup for those rainy days or cold days. We're gonna let this boil. We're gonna put him on the back burner. So we're gonna add a can here of tomato sauce. You can also use tomato paste, about 2 tablespoons, but I like tomato sauce at this point. I'm gonna use the tomato paste later on in the video for the other ingredients. So you incorporate all those ingredients and you're gonna let this boil. I'm gonna put this on the back burner, and I'm gonna bring a saucepans here for the rest of the ingredients. So in a shallow saucepan, you're gonna put some olive oil in the bottom. You can use any oil, but I like to use olive oil in the bottom there. I'm gonna add about 2 cups of chicken breast, 2 cups of chicken breast diced in squares like that, and you're gonna make sure that put some flavor in here. So I'm gonna add another seasoning envelope here. You can remember, again, you can use any seasoning that you like, but I just like this one because of the color and the punch of flavors I add to the any food. So you're gonna saute these chicken breast squares here. I'm gonna add now about a cup and a half of kielbasa, polished kielbasa. You can use any sausage that you like, anyone. This is just my idea, and you can customize it to your way. Remember, you're gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat this one. You're gonna eat the one that you make. So make sure this all incorporated and all this sazon goes on everything. And you see how it starts getting that color. I'm gonna add about a cup of diced cooking ham here. So diced cooking ham to the mix. And again, you just keep moving these over medium-low heat, just making sure that it takes that color. You see that my sausage here, like kielbasa, has that markings. That's what I'm looking for. I know that's ready now. So at this point, I'm gonna add the veggies here. I'm gonna add about 2 cups of mixture of onions, red peppers, and green peppers. Onions, red peppers, and green peppers. At this point, you can add salt and pepper if you like. I think with the sazon, it's gonna be enough. So I'm gonna just leave it like that for me. But remember, this is gonna be your plate. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste at this point to these ingredients, which they're gonna go into that water later. So make sure they're all mixed together. Mix them well. Mix them well. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and pass it on to your friends and family. I'm gonna add about 8 large shrimps. These are 1620 shrimps. These are, I think these are called colossal shrimps, not just jumbo. Jumbo is like 21, 25. So these are 8 large, very large shrimps raw. And I'm gonna start mixing this up. Once the shrimp start getting that color, that should be enough. Remember, this is gonna be boiling, so don't overcook these ingredients because this is gonna be boiling for a while in that other liquid. So I'm gonna take this away, bring back my soup here, my garbanzo or chickpeas soup here. You see how it's boiling already? Now I'm gonna put the rest of the ingredients in there. So I'm just gonna drop all the ingredients with all the seasonings in that liquid there. And this is gonna be my soup. You see where the water level is? I'm gonna reduce this about 75%. So just to make it a little, better for my tasting. So I'm gonna boil this for about 20 minutes in low, medium low for about 20 minutes. You see how the water went down a little bit, about to 75% what it was. That's what I'm looking for. This is the consistency I'm looking for. You can leave it another 10 if you want, Remember, I left it for 20 minutes on medium low. And this is the consistency that I like. If you like it more like thick, that's up to you. You can leave it another 10-15 minutes in that medium low. Don't let it burn. And I'm gonna serve this now. Look, I'm gonna make sure that I grab everything from that pot. I grab the chickpeas, I grab the shrimps, I got the kielbasa sausage here, I had the chicken, everything from that pot goes in there. This is like a sampling, and I'm gonna just drip this liquid all over my ingredients here, and that's gonna make that soup. Remember, I'm telling you, this is super, super, super good for those cold days, for those rainy days. It could be any time of the year, but this time of the year is even better. Remember, you're not gonna regret this one. This is a chickpea or garbanzo soup with all these add-on ingredients. I'm telling you, the chicken breast, the shrimp, the kielbasa. Oh my goodness, the cooking ham. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Look how beautiful that looks. There's your garbanzo or chickpea soup. Remember, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and pass it on to your friends and family. There you have it, folks. Don't tell me that doesn't look pretty. That looks awesome. And just wait till you taste it. Wait till you taste it. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching my videos, and pass it on to your friends and family.